Studious!
Tambay! 3, 2, 1, action!
Bible verse of the day, Luke 10:27. In Tokpusin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, Luke 10:27. Naem ibek him to. You by like him through big plagod belong you. One time all geta, bell belong you. Na one time all geta, te will belong you. Na one time all geta, strong belong you. Na one time all geta, ting ting belong you. Naman is the cross to long you, also yet. Luke 10:27. And in Tagalog version, Lucas 10:27. At pagsagot niya'y sinabi, ibigin mo ang Panginoong mong Diyos ng buong puso mo, at ng buong kaluluwa mo, at ng buong lakas mo, at ng buong pag-iisip mo, at ang iyong kapwa na gaya ng iyong sarili. Lucas 10:27. King James Pisin Bible, talk thank you, igulong God. Salamat sa Diyos, thanks be to God, share love.
Good day, good job, perfect!
Luke 10:27 in King James Version. And he answering said, Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy strength, and with all thy mind, and thy neighbor as thyself. Luke 10:27. Thanks be to God po. Share the love.
Good day, good job, perfect!
Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello guys! I will read. And our mama and papa and kuya and always be not to get pang-awang may Diyos. Because our mama and papa and our salamat sa Diyos or don't get the virus mang awang ang Diyos. Because always be happy to us and always be to not sad with us. But I'm not sick. I'm pawis now. And now, our kuya and tete is good.
They are good. Are they good? Okay.
Salamat sa Diyos! Tada love!
Good day. Good job. Perfect.
In Tokpusin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, Luke 10:27. Naem ibek him to. You by. Bible verse, memorization challenge. D173. O may kredit Bible verse of the day.
All thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy strength, and with all thy mind, as thy neighbor,